Welcome to our day home. I am Devinder. In this video, I will explain you class 7th maths. Now you can see here exercise 5 question number 3. Express 10 centimeter in meter and kilometers. Once you can see the given information, 1 centimeter is called 10 millimeters, 1 meter is called 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer is called 1000 meters, 1 kilogram is equal 1000 grams. You can see it start answer. 10 centimeters is equal to, how can you express centimeters into meters? First of all, I know the relationship between meter and centimeters. 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters. Yes or no? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that you can transpose 100 to LHS. That means can I write here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Yes or no? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Just you can transpose 100 to LHS. Will you write this one or not? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So that you can write here 10 centimeters is equal. You can write here 10 centimeters is equal to 10 into 1 by 100 meter. 10 into 1 by 100 meter. That means here 0 0 cancel. That means here indirectly here 1 into 1 only 1 by 10 meter. 1 by 10 meters means it is 0.1 meter. Yes or no? See here 10 centimeters is equal to 0.1 meters. You can write here 10 centimeters. Conversion of centimeters into meters is completed. Next you can see here we need to convert into kilometers. See, already have meters. What is the relation between kilometer and meter? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Yes or no? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Can I write 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal, can I transpose 1000 to LHS? 1 by 1000 kilometers, can I write or not? Yes, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So that can I write here? See, therefore you can write here 10 centimeters is equal to 0.1 meter. That means here 0.1 meter. How can you convert meter to kilometer? Just you can see 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. See, that means here 0.1 meter is equal to 0.1 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. That means you can write here 0.1 into 1, 0.1 only by 1000. Yes or no? We are expressed in kilometers. Once you can simplify. See, how many zeros are available? 1 2 3. That means in the numerator you can keep decimal point after 3 digits. That means first of all I am writing here 0 1. See, already point is available at 0 only. That means from here onwards you can count here. This is the first digit, second digit, third digit. So you can keep decimal point. You can write here 0. That means your answer is 0.0001 kilometer. This is your answer. 10 centimeters is equal to 0.0001 kilometer. This is one method using standard table. If you are forgot these measurements, I will say one more method, very easiest one. You can see a line chart. That means you can see lengths of the, you know that, see, millimeters, centimeters, decimeters, meters, decameters, hectometers, kilometers. Yes or no? You know that, see, meters are greater than centimeters or not? Yes. Meters are greater than millimeters or not? Yes. Kilometers are greater than meters or not? Yes. See, while converting kilometer to meter, just you can multiply. See, if I am converting kilometer to hectometer, just you can multiply with 10 power 1. See, if I am moving only one place, if you can write here 10 power 1. If you are moving kilometer to decameter, you can multiply with 2 steps. This is, see, 1 step, this will be 2 steps, 2 steps moving, so that you can write here 10 power 2. If I am converting kilometer to meter, see, how many steps? 1 2 3. Yes or no? Total 3 steps or not? Yes. That means you need to multiply with 10 power 3. How many moves you are moving? You can write here. See, 1 kilometer is equal to how many moves? 1 2 3. That means 10 power 3 meters. That means 10 power 3 means how much? 10,000 or not? Yes or no? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Yes or no? Already available or not? 1 kilometer is called 1000 meters. In this, if you know this diagram, you need not to remember any information. Just you can draw it and you can convert. See, if I am converting larger units to smaller units, you need to multiply with 10 powers. See, if you are converting smaller units to larger units, you can divide with 10 powers. See, for example, what is your question? 10 centimeters. Yes, you can see here 10 centimeters is equal. You see, conversion of centimeters into meters. See, conversion of centimeters into meters. That means this is the one movement. This is another movement. That means you have moved two steps. That means here 10 power 2. You have to divide with 10 power c. 1 by 10 power 2 into, you can write here 10. Very easy. That means you can see here 1 by 10 power means 100. 10 square means 100 into 10. 0 cancel. That means here 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means it is 0.1 or not? 0.1 meters. Yes or no? You can observe here. It is also 0.1 meter or not? Yes. Without remembering any values. Just you can see the diagram and write it. See one more here. 10 centimeters into, we need to convert into which one? Kilometers. That means you can write here 10 into. See, centimeters into kilometers. How many moves you can see here? 1 move, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. That means you can multiply, you can divide with 10 power 5. That means you can write here 10 into 10 power 5 means you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write here just 5 zeros. Now you can simplify. Is it possible? 0 cancel. Yes or no? That means you can write here 1 by 10,000. Yes or no? 10,000. Now you can write here. See, all these are kilometers. Now you can see how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So that you can keep decimal point after 4 digits from right side. That means here 1 digit, 2, 3, 4. You can keep decimal point 0. This is your answer. Yes or no? 0.0001. See here also how much your answer? 0.0001. You can write which is convenient and which is easy for you. This is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 5 question number 3 2. Express 45 millimeters in centimeter, meter and kilometers. Already you know that. See, the diagrammatic representation of lengths. See here millimeter, centimeters, decimeters, meters, decameters, hectometers, kilometers. See, already they have given in millimeters. You need to convert into centimeters. You know that. See, to convert smaller units to larger units, you need to divide with 10 powers. How many moves you have did? See, millimeter to centimeter. That means here smaller unit to larger units. Just you have transferred. That means you have moved only one place. Yes or no? You have moved only one place. That means here one movement you can divide with 10 power 1 only. That means you can write here 45 divided by how much here? 10 power 1. That means you can write here 10 power 1. That means here 45 by 10 means how much? You can write here centimeters. Here also centimeters. That means you can write here 45 by 10 means you can put decimal point after one digit from right side. That means you can write here 45. You can keep after one digit. See, 5 is one digit. You can keep decimal point here. 4.5 centimeters is your answer. Answer completed. Just we have converted into centimeters, and also they mentioned convert into meters. See here 45 millimeters conversion into meters. How can you see? Millimeters to meters. This is one place. This is another movement. This is another movement. That means you can see here 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. You have did 3 movements. So that I am dividing with 10 power 3. That means you can write here 45 by 10 power 3. If you want, you can directly see here 10, 100, 1000 like that. You can do any one which is convenient to you. I written here 10 power 3. Meters here. You can write here meters. That means I am writing, you can see here 45 by 10 cube means it is 1000 or not? Yes. 1000 meters. See how many zeros are available? 1, 2, 3. So that you can put decimal point after 3 digits from right side. See here 45. You need to check 3 digits. This is the first digit, this is the second digit. You can keep your 0 as third digit. Now you can put decimal point. That means your answer is how much? 0.045 meters is your answer. 45 millimeters is equal to how much your answer? 0.045 meters. Now you can see one more question in this one only. 45 millimeters into kilometers. They have told that convert into kilometers. See, where is the millimeter? See, millimeters to kilometer. That means you can see here one movement, two movements, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means you can divide with 10 power 6. See here 45 by 10 power 6. Here you can write here kilometers. That means you can write here 45 by 10 power 6 means you can put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. You can put 1 besides it. Now you can see here it is kilometers. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 zeros available in denominator, so that you can put decimal point 6 digits after from right side. That means you can write here 45. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digit, 4th digit, 5th digit, 6th digit, so that you can put decimal point from. This is your answer. Very easiest. You can see here how many zeros are in denominator? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that you can keep decimal point in numerator. 45 is numerator or not? Yes. So that in the numerator you can put from right side after 6 digits. See, this is the first, second. There are no digits, so that you can keep decimal point as zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that I kept here decimal point. So that your answer is 0.000045 is your answer. Now you can see here question number 4. Express the following in kilograms. 190 grams and 247 grams. But already you know that 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams or not? Yes, 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal 1000 grams. Then 1 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Just you can transpose 1000 to LHS. You can write here 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilograms. Here 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. See, now you can see here 190 grams is equal to, you can write here 190 grams is equal to 190 by, you can see here 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 10 grams is equal to 10 by 1000 kilograms. 20 grams is equal to 20 by 1000 kilograms. In the similar way, 190 grams is equal to 190 by 1000 kilograms. See, already 0 cancel. 19 by 100, you can write here 19 by 100 kilograms. See, 19 by 100 kilograms means in the denominator you have 2 zeros, 1, 2, yes or no, so that you can keep decimal point in the numerator after 2 digits from right side. That first you can write it numerator. You can count it 1, 2, so that you can keep decimal point. That means your answer is how much? 0.19 kilograms. This is your answer, 0.19 kilograms. See, one more here, 247 grams. See, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 20 grams is equal to 20 by 1000 kilograms. 500 grams is equal to 500 by 1000 kilograms. In the similar way, 247 grams is equal, can I write here 247 grams is equal to 247 by 1000 kilograms. See, there is no possible to cancel it, so that just you can see how many zeros are available in denominator 1, 2, 3. So you can keep the decimal point in the numerator from right side 3 digits after. So that first I am writing here 247. Count it from right side 1, 2, 3. So you can keep decimal point. This is your answer, 0.247 kilograms is your answer. Now you can see here express the following in kilograms. 44 kilograms 80 grams. 44 kilograms 80 grams. See, already 44 kilograms 80 grams can be written as 44 kg plus 80 grams. You can write it as 44 kilograms plus 80 grams. But you know that what is the relationship between grams and kilogram? Just now we have discussed 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. Yes or no? 1 kg is equal 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal 1 by 1000 kilograms. So that just I am writing, you can see here 44 kilograms plus 80 grams. See here 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 10 grams is equal to 10 by 1000 kilograms. 80 grams is equal to 80 by 1000 kilograms. See, you can write here 44 kg plus, you can cancel if possible. See, 0 cancel. Now you can write here 8 by 100 kilograms. That means you can write here 44 kilograms plus, see in the denominator you have two zeros. Yes or no? 0 0 1 and 1, 2 zeros. So that you can keep in the numerator after 2 digits from right side. So that first you can see this is 1 digit 8. You can keep one more 0. This is 2 places. 2 places complete or not? Yes. So that you can keep a decimal point. 0.08 kilograms. 0.08 kilograms. See, 44 plus 0.08, it will be equal to, say, 44.08 kilograms. Yes or no? This is your answer. See, 44 means you can write here 44.00. 0.08 means 0.08. See, just addition 8, 0, 4, 4. 44.08 is your answer. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos which are available in our description once you can see here.